Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to learn about the structure of a neuron. Neuron is considered as a structural and functional unit of a neural tissue. Neuron is like any other cell which has all other cell organelles, but it has certain modifications. When you look at the structure of a neuron, it is fibrous in nature. The main parts of a neuron include the cell body, the dendrites and the axon. Let us see the details about these three structures. When we talk about the cell body of a neuron, the cell body is also called as soma or perikaryon or the cyton. The cell body has a centrally located nucleus and with other cell organelles like the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, ribosomes, etc. There are also certain darkly stained structures called as Nissl granules. The cell body has certain projections which are called as neurites. The neurites that are coming out of the cell body are of two types. One are called as dendrites and another is called as the axon. To talk about dendrites, dendrites are the short branched projections that come out of the cell body. The dendrites also possesses the Nissl granules. The cytoplasm that is present in the cell body and in the dendrites is called as the neuroplasm. Dendrites help in receiving the stimulus from one neuron towards the cell body of the presenting neuron. The other neurite that is projecting from the cell body is axon. Axon is one single long projection that comes from a point called as axon hillock. Axon terminates as the nerve terminals, which are again short branch structures. Axon conducts the nerve impulse or the stimulus from the cell body and proceeds or forwards it to the next neuron. The nerve terminals store certain chemicals which are helpful in transferring the stimulus from one neuron to the other neuron. When it comes to certain neurons, the axon is covered by an insulator called as the myelin sheath. All those neurons that are protected by the myelin sheath are called as myelinated neurons, and those which are not protected by myelin sheath are called as non-myelinated neurons. When there is myelin sheath around the axon, there are certain gaps between one myelin sheath to the other myelin sheath. These gaps are called as nodes of Ranvier. The conduction of impulse is very quick in myelinated neurons than compared to the non-myelinated neurons. And to talk more about the axon, the cell membrane of the axon is called as axolemma and the cytoplasm present inside the axon is called as axoplasm. So the axon helps in conducting the nerve impulse from the cyton to the next neuron. These are the details about the structure of a neuron. Make your concept stronger and stay ahead in your learning journey. Join me and other subject experts on the Tutor app for daily free concept classes. Download the app now.